How to fix your sleep schedule. Morning sunlight will trigger your internal clock and help release your sleep hormone melatonin at night. Your body's ideal temperature for sleep is between 60 to 67 Fahrenheit. Supplement with 500 milligrams of magnesium before bed to help reduce stress and sleep longer. Weighted blankets use deep pressure stimulation, which triggers the mood-boosting hormone serotonin. Taking a hot shower 1 to 2 hours before bed helps you fall asleep because it triggers a drop in temperature, which causes sleepiness. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 10 hours, so quit consuming it long before bed. Use blackout curtains in your room to make it darker and fall asleep easier. If you often wake up in the middle of the night to pee, take salt before bed to prevent this. Stop eating 1 to 3 hours before bed to prevent your body temperature from rising and disrupting your sleep quality. Exercise before bed raises your heart rate and body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. You'll spend about a third of your entire life asleep, so invest in a quality mattress. Avoid blue light from phones and TV screen before 1 to 2 hours before bed. It suppresses your melatonin and makes it difficult to fall asleep. Only using your bed for sleep helps your brain stop overthinking while in bed, making it easier to fall asleep. Alcohol disrupts your REM sleep, so if you drink, try to do it earlier in the day. Avoid naps before 2 p.m. so you're sleepy when it's time for bed. Keep your bedtime and wake time consistent to improve your sleep quality and quantity. Journal before bed to stop your mind from overthinking and preventing you from falling asleep. Read fiction before bed to help relax your mind. If you're muscular or overweight, you're more likely to have sleep apnea, so get a sleep study done to prevent any health problems. Practice yoga, meditation, and mindfulness. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.